Welcome to the installation guide of Fishbone Off-Road Steering Box Stiffener for Jeeps CJ5, 7, and 8. Step 1. If your vehicle still has it, remove the vehicle's frame cover to gain access to the top mount, followed by disconnecting the pitman arm. Step 2. With a 5/8 inch socket, remove the 3 bolts from the mount on the underside of the frame rail. Followed by the 2 bolts securing it to the top, and lower the box. Step 3. With a 5/8 socket, remove the 2 hex bolts from the mount. With an E14 inverted Torx socket, remove the remaining 2 Torx bolts. Step 4. A page of our instructions includes a drilling template. Hold the template up to the top holes and mark your drill point as shown. With a 1/2 inch drill bit, drill out this hole from the frame. Step 5. Our mount requires the included spacers to be placed between the box. Place the 3 larger and 1 smaller spacers as shown. And secure it with 3 of the shoulder bolts and 1 large hex bolt with washers and lock washers with a 5/8 socket. Step 6. With the help of a friend, hold the mount and the box up to the bottom of the frame and resecure it with 3 of the large hex bolts and 3 of the smaller bolts into the top and through the hole you drilled in step 4. Reassemble your vehicle's pitman arm and frame cover, and you're done.